Exams are coming, and you've got a mountain of past papers staring back at you. The problem? There's too much data and not enough time. Patterns are hiding in plain sight, but they're hard to see when you're stressed. Here's how I use AI to predict probable questions, ethically, and study smarter. Step 1. Gather. I collect 5 to 10 years of past papers, official syllabi, marking schemes, examiner reports. I drop the PDFs into an AI chat tool that supports file uploads. Step 2. Clean. Extract each question, topic, subtopic, command verb, and marks into a table. If it's messy, I nudge. Standardize topics to match this syllabus, then paste the syllabus outline. Step 3. Map patterns. Show frequency by topic, average marks, and gaps over the last 5 years. Identify rotating themes and rising topics. Which command verbs, explain, evaluate, derive, appear most with each topic? Step 4. Forecast. I never ask for leaks or exact repeats. Instead, given the frequency trends and syllabus emphasis, list 10 high probability areas and provide the rationale. Include low probability but high risk topics. Step 5. Turn into a plan. Create a 14-day study plan prioritizing the high probability areas with spaced repetition and active recall. Pair each topic with 3 past questions and 1 fresh practice question. Step 6. Generate drills. Produce step-by-step practice questions that mirror past structure but are not duplicates. Include common pitfalls and a marking guide. Step 7. Verify. I cross-check with the latest syllabus changes. What did you miss? Which assumptions might be wrong? Then I test myself under timed conditions. Remember, AI finds patterns, you build mastery. If this helped, grab my prompt pack in the description, run it on your subject, and start tonight. Your future self will thank you.